Hello and welcome to my YouTube unpacking or unboxing video of a 2-pack of face shields that I bought from Amazon.com. More specifically, the Amazon listing says 2-pack all-round protection hat with clear wide visor, light filled with adjustable elastic band for men and women. The brand is spelled Aokpsrt, and it is sold by Wuyor on Amazon.com. At the time, I bought it for $12.95, and it currently has 4 stars from 13 customers. And I checked it against a service called fakespot.com. It's a service that analyzes Amazon listings to see if the ratings are authentic or if people seemingly have been bought or paid off from paid reviews. So as you can see here from the sticker, it says made in China. The Amazon barcode is X002J3ZCZP, and it says 2-pack all-round protection hat ... elastic band for men and women, and some Chinese symbols. So without further ado, let's proceed to the opening of the envelope. This is the envelope that I got from inside of a box which had all my other stuff inside of it. I don't have Prime, so I have to buy $25 worth of stuff to get free shipping. And this is one of those items. Oh, okay. So these do say face shield, like most of the other products sold on Amazon.com, but this one has authentic, good reviews, unlike most of them. If you check them against fakespot.com, a lot of them have fake reviews. So it says direct splash protection. Warning, use only against liquids or dust. This shield is not impact resistant. Do not use as protection against open flame or sparks. Anti-fog and anti-static. Latex-free, fiberglass-free, distortion-free. Foam headband relieves pressure. Lightweight, optically clear. Remove the outer plastic protective film before. Whoops, sorry about that. Battery died. It says, last part, bullet point, says remove the outer plastic protective film before using. So this is it. Let me see. Looks like this is the foam that goes against your head. And let me see how this looks if I was to wear this around my head. How do I look? I think I could definitely breathe under this thing, even if I had a mask underneath. Doesn't seem super clear, but you can definitely see through it. So that's that for my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks very much for watching.